In order to escape from the busy city life, I went for a recce trip to a small village at the outskirts of Corbett National Park. The name of the village is Kupi. The people of Kupi lives under the threat of human-tiger conflict, but it's definitely one of the most scenic and remote place nestled deep in the lap of nature. Let me take you to a virtual journey to the beautiful Kupi village with me.
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's me, Ori, and you are watching Ori and Wild. So we are starting the vlog from the zero point of Mohan. It's a sensitive wildlife area, actually wildlife crossing area. So our destination today is Kupi village, which is located at the outskirts of Marchula. So it's not basically in Corbett territory. It's just outside of Corbett, and it's a tiger infested village. So we have found a resort over there. We are going to stay there. We are going to explore the place, look for birds, look for mammals, and definitely tigers. So yeah, let's see how the trip goes. We are here right now. I'll show you. So this place is known as the zero point, and tigers a lot of times are seen here. So we'll wait here maximum 5 to 10 minutes and see if there is any wildlife movement or activity. If not, we'll head towards Marchula. So I can see some spotted deers. Now the sunlight is extremely harsh, so I don't think there will be any movement in this area because it's mostly grassland down below. So it's going to be extremely hot for the tigers.
We observed a big male spotted deer down in the grassland. After filming the spotted deer, we decided to leave the zero point of Mohan and head towards our resort. We started driving through the beautiful forests of Marchula, and as we moved forward, the landscape became more beautiful. We got to hear a lot of white-crested laughing thrushes, and we decided to park our car and film them. We noticed there were at least 20 of these beautiful looking laughing thrushes all around. As we moved forward after our encounter with the white-crested laughing thrush, the terrain changed completely. There was dense forest and beautiful lush green mountains all around. We took an off-road track and started moving towards our resort. After getting closer to our resort, we came across a lonely Khalij pheasant which was foraging. To be very honest, I wasn't expecting to see any bird activity in such harsh sunlight, but I was quite happy to be able to film the wild Khalij pheasant. By the time we reached our resort, we were extremely hungry, so we directly went to the cafeteria to have our lunch.
So this is our lunch: paneer, dal, raita, and salad. And this is the view while I am having my lunch. Amazing. So we have had our lunch. Now we are heading towards the animal viewpoint. We'll see if any animal we can spot right now. It's 2:30 p.m. right now, so not hoping to see too much of wildlife activity, but you never know. Here it is, animal viewpoint. They even have beds here.
The view from the animal's viewpoint Machan was simply out of this world. The first wildlife that I encountered from this Machan was a beautiful sambar deer. After looking closely, I found another sambar deer in the same area. I also found a beautiful crested bunting female, an uncommon bird to this region. While I was busy observing the wildlife, Mr. Negiji, the caretaker of this place, came to serve me hot tea.
So नेगी जी, आप यहाँ पे कितने साल से काम कर रहे हो?
मेरे को 3 साल
3 साल। तो यहाँ पे ये कुपी विलेज में कभी कोई टाइगर अटैक हुआ है?
ये सामने मतलब पिछले साल यहाँ एक लेडीज मार के सामने,
थोड़ा सा जोर से बोलो।
सामने यहाँ पे इस पेड़ के नीचे
हाँ।
2 साल हो गए, एक लेडीज को मारा था।
एक लेडीज को मारा था? अच्छा
अभी 2 महीने पहले यहाँ पे पहले तो गाय को मारा उसने, अगले दिन
अच्छा।
दूसरे दिन उसने उसी को ये हिरन होता है ना काका,
हाँ,
उसको मारा था।
टाइगर ने मारा कि लेपर्ड ने मारा?
टाइगर
गाय मारा और उसके बाद काकर मारा।
दूसरे दिन।
और आपको कभी यहाँ से टाइगर दिखा है?
और बार दिखाई धार था मैं तो
इस झाड़ पे?
हाँ, ऊपर इस धार के ऊपर।
अच्छा, इस झाड़ के ऊपर दिखा है।
हाँ,
टाइगर ज़्यादा दिखता है कि लेपर्ड?
लेपर्ड भी दिखता है, टाइगर भी। लेपर्ड तो कम ही देखा मुझे।
लेपर्ड कम ही दिखता है, टाइगर ज़्यादा दिखता है।
As we were approaching sunset, I decided to walk to the riverbed area and spend some time by the river. I sat by the riverbed and decided to enjoy the moment in and with the nature. I dipped my feet into the cold flowing water, and all the tiredness from the hectic journey washed away. I sat there till it went dark. Even though I did not wanted to leave the spot, it would have been a gamble with my precious life, as the river is frequently visited by the big cats. After leaving the spot, I decided to go out and look for wildlife in the dark.
get there. तो कितने दिन पहले का बात है वो जो टाइगर ने मारा था? एक साल पहले। एकदम सामने तुम्हारे टॉर्च मारता हो ना, बंद करो। टॉर्च मारने का जरूरत नहीं है, वो तो ऐसे ही ठीक है।
We decided not to bother wildlife too much at night and started heading towards our resort. But one thing I understood very clearly, that with good population of prey base like sambar deer and barking deers, it's possible to track down big cats around this village with proper camera trapping and equipments. If you have enjoyed this video, I'll request you to please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.